everyone, we're going to reset the maintenance light on a 2007 Mercedes E350. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to the key, take it out, put it in, put it in the first position, and you're going to see here the temperature is on. That's good. We're going to go over here and push this button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and you can see that you have this voltage thing on there, which is great. And we're going to come to this little button here, and we're going to push until we see what we want, which is the service menu. Then we're going to come over here to this button, and we're going to push it until we get to the words confirmation, and then we're going to come back over here to this little button and push it, and it says full service, which is what we want to do. So we're going to reset again, and it says service confirmed, and that's it. Thanks for watching the car check.